Initializing your bureau is a crucial step in setting up your team for a reliable and efficient workflow. To do so, an MES Manager user must input a number of properties that have to do with your equipment, inventory, and workflow practices. First, add a list of manufacturers to refer back for technical support, as well as locations, which serve to localize access to the MES and decentralize orders across multiple facilities. Then, add type entries for materials, printers, and post-processors. These parent types will dictate parameters such as cost and time calculations, compatibility, and more. With those types in place, it's time to add your equipment and inventory per se. These are bound to specific locations that we listed before, and contain stock data for materials and duration for post-processing steps. To connect your printers to the MES, please refer to the Echo Connectivity feature video. It's now time to build workflows from these individual steps to automate the estimation and scheduling process at the order and run level. The Bureau is now ready to take incoming orders and aid your team throughout the production pipeline. Learn more about Authentizes MES and its features in the upcoming videos.